love Brassavola orchids because they have great fragrance and they're super easy to grow. This is Brassavola nodosa, which is probably the most well-known of all of them. I'm going to paint these white flowers with a dark background for added contrast. It's also appropriate to show an orchid like this blooming at night because they are pollinated at night by moths which are attracted to their scent. I'm using a wet on wet wash, which simply means that the paper is wet and then I add paint, which creates a soft edge along the wet paper. Once the dark wash is dry, I can take off the masking fluid and start adding detail to the flowers. I want the leaves and roots to have the appearance that they're fading to the dark background a little bit, rather than popping out of it like the flowers are. So I'll be using some heavy shadows and darker shades of green. I can also use a bit of white wash to clean up any rough edges created by the masking fluid. Painting with a background like this is a lot of fun, and it's definitely something I want to explore in the future. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.